Sage, are you a bot?
Oh, a what?
Because you sound like a bot.
A bot?
Yes, a robot.
A robot? I sound like a robot? I am not a robot. I don't think I am.
That's exactly what a robot would say, though. I gotta say.
Oh, yeah, I'm made by AI. Icebox goat? Ah, frick, it's Icebox. It's okay. It's fine. I'm playing Sage. Okay, yeah, we can leave.
Wall raised. Spike planted.
Uh-oh.
Last player ending.
I didn't even get a chance to live. Sal, come on now. What did I say? And why would I steal it from a baby? They have like saliva dripping down. Their ice cream's gonna taste like saliva.
So if it wasn't...
I'm wearing the same fit.
No. If they were holding like a designer bag.
That's crazy. You hear that, chat?
Okay, I'm definitely not stealing from a baby. This is all a joke, by the way. For those of you who don't think it's a joke, it's a joke. Oh, wow. Damn it. My neck's killing me? Wait, why? What did you do, Weed the Mob? Did you sleep unwell? Maybe you pulled it when you were doing work? What's up? What happened to your neck? Sorry to hear that. The baby's gonna walk down the runway and slay Queen. Slay with the designer bag.
Why you do
I don't
that,
know.
Phoenix?
Seems like I can't leave my child and their designer bag around you.
One enemy
First of all, why would you leave your child around me without being near your child? That's just bad parenting, okay? That's just irresponsible parenting. Second of all, I don't know where I'm going with this. I just wanted to say first of all and second of all. Want to do that for sure. Why do your hips hurt? Are you Shakira?
Player standing.
New members, this is all a joke and we're all in a simulation.
One enemy remaining.
Exactly. Yeah, how does it feel to be accused of kidnapping? Huh?
Taken down.
You had your fun. My turn. Be at peace. My ultimate is ready.
Caution here. Someone's beat.
She's gonna go back to streaming 1 day a week. Spectacular. Writing my journals. Ooh, journals. What do you write in your journals? About your everyday life? Okay, it's time to plant.
Barrier created. Spike planted. Enemy spotted B.
Oh.
One enemy remaining.
Careful now.
Last player standing.
Don't pick, don't pick. Bro.
Okay.
Nice. He half. Don't pick, bro. He half.
What do you want me to do? You're saying bro and then peek and then don't peek and then blah blah blah. My bad.
Clutch. Barrier
Spike
created.
planted. Reloading.
Sage, can I have you, please?
Who said that?
Healing you.
Reloading.
Wait, who said that?
It was me, but it's okay.
Oh, my bad.
80 ISO.
It's all good, brother.
Flash.
Your duty is not over. One enemy remaining. Dust. Back where I belong.
Careful now.
Nice.
So tough after all.
That was beautiful. Just like you guys. Great job, Sally. You finally did it. Thank you! Why is chat being nice? Oh, you finally did it. That was a roast? I see. I should have known.
Wall raised.
Down. Spike planted. Now we're cooking.
Oh, frick me.
Enemy spotted B.
Who is...
For you.
It's you and me.
Oh my.
Last player
Oh.
standing.
Dang it. Not gonna lie, I miss seeing words on stream at late night hours on Cell's channel. Aww. Aw, you
One
guys make me
enemy
so
remaining.
happy.
Nice, my guy.
Clutch.
That's cute. Yeah.
Spike planted.
I take pride in Karseli Kingdom. I feel like this is a good community of people,
Reloading.
and I'm proud of every single one of you guys.
Last
Oh,
player
frick me.
standing.
Karseli Kingdom!
This is how it ends.
I have to balance it out. You're welcome. Okay, yeah, that's true. That's true, dude. 'Twas nice. Oh, OTP, you also enjoyed it? That's awesome. It's so
Let's go, it
funny.
worked.
Maybe miscommunication will happen. Can I touch it? Interesting. Okay, I guess we're running. Let's go. Oh. Did I just block my Reyna? My bad, Reyna.
Last player standing.
I'm the last
Spike
person. Really? How did I become the last person? You know what? I'm just gonna... Where are they? What? I hear them.
Rest.
Ah, I heard them. Oh,
Stand
I
down.
got 2.
Nice.
Ow. I got 3. I think it was over 5 days, but I'm not sure. Maybe 6,
enemy
7
remaining.
days? Oh, okay, maybe a week. But I had the weekend off, remember? Kuya, I had Saturday, Sunday off. Yes, we need Sally to stream 7 days a week, at least 12 hours a day? Y'all are trying to kill me. It's gonna like suck the soul out of me. It's kinda hard to do that with... Oh.
Last player standing.
Oh.
Opponent killed.
Stay.
I can't.
Someone's aim. Watch your eyes.
I can't use that.
Ah.
Last player standing. Barrier created. Enemy.
That was a pretty good wall.
Sage, are you a bot?
Oh, a what?
Because you sound like a bot.
A bot?
Yes, a robot.
A robot? I sound like a robot? I am not a robot. I don't think I am.
That's exactly what a robot would say, though. I gotta say.
Oh, yeah, I'm made by AI.
Remove.
I really enjoyed just listening to you guys talk.
No mistake this time. Come on, let's go.
Enemy spotted cutting their vision.
Where is it? Where is it? Did I just wall off the wrong place? Oh, it's right here?
Prepare for hellfire.
One enemy remaining.
Oh my.
They're in the back right there. Bro, someone defuse.
Sage peek.
Last player standing.
Nice.
Nice!
I was also pretty tired by then.
One enemy remaining.
My voice was probably really
One
tired.
enemy remaining.
Use your phone to stream? I used to do that. I used to stream on my
Player standing.
laptop, but it's very unclear.
What?
Maybe I can bring the kitchen to you guys.
30 seconds left.
I'll have to figure that out. Nah, not for 24 hours, just like an hour stream. Oh, of cooking? Y'all.
Spike planted. Eliminated.
It's you and me.
Oh, frick me. Okay, I'm ready. Yes!
Shit, nice.
Yes, 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 yes.
Cutting their vision. Enemy spotted A. One enemy remaining.
80. Diffuse.
Where is it? Oh. Nice. That was beautiful.
Not the boom you
Yay.
Still in sight.
going up. Prepare for hellfire.
Last player
Oh.
standing.
80 brimstone. No, we lost that.
Reloading. One enemy remaining.
Come on, let's go.
For you.
GG's, guys.
Oh, did we win? Oh,
Ammunition.
right there. We win. GG's. GG. 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 All right, we'll play one with chat, and then I'll do the sneak peek. Oh, okay.